Welcome back to MiddleGround Made, an ongoing series where we show you how hardworking people make the products you use every day.
Today we'll take a much closer look at Alco. Alco has 6 locations across the Great Lakes region of North America and 550 employees. Today, we're at the Alco Lakeshore in Grand Haven, Michigan. This 90,000 square foot facility houses over 60 pieces of equipment, giving it access to produce a vast array of components for the hydraulics, lawn and garden, plumbing, and natural gas end markets.
Here at Alco Lakeshore, we produce brass and aluminum fittings, anything from water hose fittings all the way up to faucet and gas fittings.
Our multi-spindle machines are designed to help reduce production times by performing 6 steps at once. Bars of raw brass or aluminum are pushed into each spindle. Then, the spindle rotates the bar to one of the 6 specific steps of the parts production inside the machine. By utilizing 6 spindles, all performing simultaneously, production time is greatly reduced.
We have had a strong emphasis on setup reduction and downtime improvements. In 2018, when MiddleGround first purchased Lakeshore, our average setup time for the screen machine area was over 21 hours per setup. Now we're down to, I think, less than 9 hours per setup.
MiddleGround works closely with Alco to make productivity improvements to their gaslight assembly line.
We came in months ago and met with the team members, and the process that's behind us is the gas tight assembly. There were 6 team members that had to utilize to build this process. If we went full automation, it would have been a very expensive piece of equipment, and a return on investment just simply wouldn't have been there. So working with the team members, we came up with the idea of the machine that you see behind us, where we actually will put the fittings in, the machine will tighten the nuts, and then they can simply slide the tray and it'll put them right into the box. So it handles the 2 things that they were struggling with, and it helps take that burden away from them.
It's continuing. Every day they find a different way to do something that makes it better or more efficient, and retaining the output that we can currently do and improving that to get more out in a day.
So I think one of the biggest things that MiddleGround's done since they've bought Alco is create a culture of continuous improvement and how to be able to understand our processes and how to be able to drive for better efficiencies.
Alco continually strives to improve its outputs in order to provide us with the little parts to make our lives easier in several little ways.
Thank you for taking the tour of this facility in Grand Haven, Michigan.